Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. Guys, we have this examination question section C. We've done section A, multiple choice, section B, one word the answer or just short phrases. Section C, we have this pattern, this 30 marks, and we are required to answer all the questions, and this is very simple. Okay, let's start with the first question here. The following diagram shows part of an Excel spreadsheet document. Okay, and so we can see here you have cell addresses there. Okay, simple. Then we're asked, the first question is saying, which cells were merged? Which cells were merged? Okay, this is very, very simple. The cells that were merged are, this is B1, okay, so B1, C1, and D1, okay, were merged. Look at this. We are merged. You don't have a demarcation here or a line. So we are merged. These cells were merged, were combined to create what? A single header for the spreadsheet title, fuel cost analysis. So B1, C1, and D1 were merged. Simple. The next question is saying, write a formula that can be used in cell D3 to calculate the cost of fuel. This is very simple. D3. So D here, 3. So they're asking here to write the formula for calculating the cost. It is very simple, and this is what you do. This is what you do. Since this, you have amount of fuel used here, and you have cost per liter. Okay, cost per what? Per liter. So what you need to do is to do what? To multiply. Are we together? Okay, you need to what? To multiply. So the formula for multiplying here, multiplication, we're going to say it's like this: equal sign B. We're multiplying B what? B3. Also B3 times a times is a star. Okay, times C what? C3. Okay, C3. So when you multiply B3 times C3, you're going to have what? You're going to have the answer here. The answer automatically, just press enter, and the answer will reflect, okay, on that part. So this is the answer, is equals to equal sign B3 times or star C what? C3. It is simple. Okay, now the next question is saying, explain, let me just do this. Explain the steps involved to replicate the formula in cell D3. This is simple. Since here you have a formula here which is you have a formula here which is equals to B3 star C3. So to replicate this, it is very simple. You need to understand. Okay, you need to first to select D3, this part. Select this part. After selecting, move the what? The cursor to the bottom right corner here. Bottom right corner here. Now when you move the cursor, so move it until it turns what? A plus. There will be a plus. Okay, which is what? Which is the fuel handle. Click and drag the fill handle down to what? To D7 up to here. Okay? To D7. Okay? D7 bar. Then the formula will be replicated. This here it will indicate what? D4. This is D. The formula will replicate. It will copy all the formula. So you don't need to struggle and enter every formula. Just enter. No, you can replicate. Okay. Very simple. It will do calculations for you. Okay. What's the next question? Question D. What type of data is presented in cell C4? This is C. Okay. This is C. Then C4. C4 here. What type of data is presented? This is 17 kwacha 25 ingwe. So 17 kwacha 25 ingwe. What type of data is this one? This is very simple. This is numerical currency what? Data. Numerical currency what? Data. Okay? And it is amount, it's money, it's currency. So it's what? Numerical currency. Okay? Data. Simple. Okay? So that's auto question 1.